This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary belt renewal. Operate the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Lift the engine cover from its mountings and remove it from the engine compartment. Use a jack to raise the vehicle. Position axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the stands, then remove the jack. Note the locations of the under-tray retaining screws. Remove the engine under-tray screws, then lower the cover and remove it from underneath the vehicle. To improve access, release the 3 retaining clips and remove the timing belt upper-outer cover. Use a spanner on the centre bolt and turn the tensioner clockwise. Note that on certain later engines, a modified tensioner is fitted, and it is necessary to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise to release it, then lock the tensioner in its released position by inserting a locking pin or Allen key through the lug into the tensioner body. However, here a spanner secured by a zip tie has been used to release the belt tensioner. Note how the drive belt is routed, then remove it from the crankshaft pulley, alternator pulley, air conditioning compressor pulley, and, where applicable, the power steering pump pulley. Locate the new drive belt on the pulleys, then cut the zip tie, release the tensioner and remove the spanner. If an alternative method is being used, hold the pressure of the tensioner with a spanner and remove the locking pin. Slowly release the pressure on the spanner so that the tensioner takes up the slack in the belt. Check that the belt is located correctly in the multi-grooves in the pulleys. With the engine stopped, fit the timing belt upper-outer cover and secure it in place with the clips. Position the under tray in place, then refit the screws securely. Use a jack to raise the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. Place the engine cover into the engine compartment and locate it on its mountings. Press it onto its mountings to secure it in place. Close the bonnet securely.